Dear friends, I'm continuing with my blouse. So this is how it is. This is why I told you have to join the shoulders so that you'll get a correct point. So it shouldn't go out or shouldn't go, one up and one down. So when you fold, it's inside like this. So now what I'm going to do is give a stitch on top so that it won't come off. Like this. So the same I do to the other one, and this is my front I've already done, and this folding at the bottom, it's like that. What do? You fold the starch paper cloth on this side, wrong side, fold it, and then you just stitch how much you have to sew. Then I just turn it, and after this I'm going to catch my sides, join my sides up, I've already pinned the sides so you can sew the side and you can sew the bottom next. I'm just going to show you the sleeve, which I've already done. One of it is already done. This is how it is. I've pinned all over, so that's how you do it. What you do is you put this crossway cloth. This is the one the other day I cut, and I double it up. So I folded it, and you just have to put it at the bottom. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So when you stitch it, you stitch it like this. You don't pull the crossway material, cross-cutting material, just put it, and in between the gathers you will sew, not above this thread, in between the gathers, so you roughly know. Or either you can tack it or you can pin it. This is how it is. Then you can just cut off these threads, the extra threads. That's what I mean by you sew in the center. This thread, you can remove it once you have done sewing on the top of the sleeve like that. You can just remove this stitch. I can show you if you want. Okay, this is how it is. use this seam ripper to help you to hold. You can use the seam ripper to remove the gather stitch. This is it. And one more thing, you need to put a stitch on top of here, a medium stitch, not too big, not too small. From here, from the center point to here, 3.5 inch, so that when you stitch the sleeve, it won't pull, because when you don't do the stitch here, it's difficult for you to sew the sleeve. This helps the sleeve from, becoming wider. Okay, this is it. This is the adjoined blouse piece. I've already stitched the sides, and I've already iron pressed this. And the sleeve, I've done another stitch here on top. 1, 2, I did 2 stitches there. Okay, and I'm going to fix the sleeve. This is my sleeve. This is the front. See, you can see I've cut the front portion and I've marked here front. So now what you do is, this is the front. So I'm going to place the front and the front together like this. So put it inside. Pin it in the center here and pin it at the top on the shoulder and the center point of the sleeve. Since there was extra material, I've split in the center here, the sleeve, the shoulder there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to tack it. So once you tack it, what you need to do is, you sew from the top, from the shoulder, put this is the front bit. So this material at the bottom should be loose, so you should leave it loose like that, and this one will be a bit tight. You just have to stretch it a bit, and the bottom bit must be loose. When you come to the body side, you just have to fold it like that. And this side as well, fold it. Sleeve, which is already done up, first one. This is the plate I told you I attached earlier. And this is how it is. Now the next one I just show you again. Just take a plate, plate it on this side, and then you get an inch plate, 1 inch, half inch plate. And then at this, the body part, you just fold like that, pin it like that, and it's easier for you to sew. You can just pin it or you can tack it. I'm going to show you how to stitch a button. There's a knot. I've pinned here, I've marked here where I have to put the button. So this is where I'll put the button. This pocket. Then you take the button, put it inside, and then you stitch back on the same place. Then the third one, you go down, and then you knot it. 1, 2, that's it. Dear friends, this is the completed blouse which I'm wearing. If it's appealing, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.